Alrighty guys, so we last left off, I think 5 days ago was the last time I actually filmed any footage. Left off, I think where we got the seats out. Maybe I show where we got the seats out, I don't know. But we did do some more weight reduction. Got pretty much most of the bad pieces cut out. We still got to play with this, but we haven't done that yet. Kind of more up here. Yes, I mean the plan, just more wire milling, try to find some good metal. Yeah, I don't know how much I'm really gonna record today anyway. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Alrighty guys, so oops, get that back up. So the plan is we want to take this fender off because all the work we gotta do down there where it hooks in, but do that we gotta take the hood off. So I'm gonna try and do this myself. We'll see if we can. There's these 3 and there's some underneath, I believe. So up to it. Good. Now, the last time, or a couple weeks ago, I did PB blast this hood. Bolts anyway, so let's see if we can get it out here. Just see, because they bolt there, 2 bolts there, and that's just the same as the top here. Okay, I think that's it. Just gonna not sure what they're for, but there we go. Kind of blocked it over here. That was not what we wanted to happen. That's fine. We'll fix it. The easiest way is probably going to be to put this down. I'm not really sure what that's to be honest. It's just like round or what it is. Actually, I'm going to leave the tops in. Just my luck. Looks like they are welded. Those nuts are welded on the back. Grab my bag here. Been trying to organize my parts as best I can. So I'm gonna stick these bolts. other side. And actually, I don't think I've really shown this hood on camera. This is what was under this shit. This is the worst, I think, of the body panels. Like, I guess overall, because this has like, there's metal showing through, and yeah, it's a fun time. The point of taking this hood off, wow, that was really loose, is we want to take the fender off, and I think it's going to be easiest. We're going to want to paint this anyway. I think the easiest way to going to be, well, there's a wrap, we got to get all this shit off still, so. But I'm rambling, but yeah, so we'll get this off. Hoping I'm doing it this right way. Up. See if I can lift this up anyway. Okay, well that is a hood that's now off. Fun. That means now all the rodents can get into the engine. Not like those rodents, but you know. So next step is, because we want to take this fender off, so we gotta take all this shit out. I gotta find a better like setup. And yeah, I'll be back. Alrighty guys, well we were able to get a lot of stuff taken off. We got one bolt hanging us up. It's kind of hard to see because of the light, but it's a guy in there. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be instant for you guys, but we'll pick this back up tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so kind of a quick update. We did get front bumper off, as you can see. At the front fender. Did get the hood off too. Yeah, kind of have everything kind of just flipped over up on top for now. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be till we put the new one on, but we got to do a bunch of work underneath still. But this will be it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more, and we will catch you later.